Okay, guys, for our background this week, we are going to listen to a boy talk about his garden. So get comfortable, close your eyes, visualize. Remember, that means make the movie in your head.
This is my garden here next to the garage in the backyard. My name is Kevin Frank. I'm 11 years old. I plant a lot of different things in my garden. I try to plant different thing every year. Last year I planted some really pretty flowers. The year before that I planted some herbs. A lot of work goes into gardening. When you first plant, you have to do things like turn up the soil so it's very moist and has a lot of water in it. Then you have to dig little holes to put your seeds in, cover them back with dirt. Usually if it's dry, you have to water them. If it hasn't rained in a while, you need to water them. But I don't mind doing all the work. It's kind of fun for me, and I like the reward. I like gardening because I like spraying and flowers and the way they smell and the way they look. My favorite season is spring because that's when they just start to open up and all the flowers and vegetables smell the best. It requires a lot of patience to grow a garden and be a gardener. It's not like you're just going to plant a seed and it's going to come up the next second and be a beautiful flower. Some seeds take more than 2 or 3 weeks to show their first sprout, and then some even another 5 weeks to turn into a beautiful flower or give fruit. I just try to take really good care of the garden. I look at it often and make sure there's no bugs crawling on it all the time, because sometimes they mess up and eat the plant and everything. Sometimes I shine the leaves, or I don't sing to them, but sometimes I talk to them. I interact with them a little bit. I used to be growing an apple tree, actually, and that was about 2 years ago when I started that. I planted 8 little seeds in some small planters, and only one of them grew. We had it in this very garden here, but it got pretty big, so I had to take it out, and now it's at my grandmother's house where we have more room. But overall, it's fun being a gardener because you get rewarded with all the plants and other things you can grow, and I also like the wide variety of plants you can grow, so that's why I like being a gardener.